Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can add observers as observing team members to your workspace or boards on Trello really quickly. So drop a like and now let's get started. The first step, head over to Trello, log into your account and select the workspace in the top left corner. After that, pick a board from your workspace on the left hand side. So I can go with that one here. And if you'd like to add someone, for example, an external person here as an observer, you may invite that person to observe that or to view that board by clicking on that share button in the top right corner inside your board. After that, you will see that window here. So you can share your board with someone, for example, by sending an email invitation here. And what you want to do after that, guys, is simply make sure that you select or assign the observer status or title or role here by clicking on member here and by selecting observer. However, guys, as you can see, this feature is currently accessible only for Trello or Atlassian users who have upgraded their account to a premium one. So that's basically it, guys. Once you have done that, simply click on share here to send the invitation and to invite the person as an observer to your board here on Trello. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and we'll see you next time on our channel.